Welcome. Today I'll be talking about 4 important tools you must master in Photoshop. The first tool I'll talk about, which as a beginner you must understand and you must master, is the Move tool. Your Move tool has a shortcut V and it's used to move stuff, canvas, from one point to the other. The next tool is the Brush tool. Once you click on the brush, we all know what the brush is for. Now the shortcut for brush is B. So the next thing we need to talk about is text tool. For the text tool, you need to click on T, and the shortcut for this is T. The last tool I need to talk about is the zoom tool. Command or Control plus will zoom, Control minus will zoom out. The zoom tool has a shortcut of Z. So these are the 4 tools you need to understand as a beginner in Photoshop. This will help you in building your masterpiece. Kindly like, subscribe, share, and see you in my next video. Thank you.